इरफान सर सेंटर में ओके चलो आ जाओ सर
सर सर पीछे आ जाइए सर यहाँ पे पीछे आ जाइए सर किसको जाना है हाँ तो आएंगे ना वो बुलाए कहीं हम दादा उठना मत अरे अरे गाइस आराम से गाइस
Yeah, we good to go. We good to go. Archana, you ready? Yeah.
Bye.
Let's start with the right. Center. Left. Okay, let's go again. We'll start with the right.
He's no introduction, the much loved, most appreciated actor of our country. And thank you all for joining us as well. So, tell me what brings you here today.
JM, I've been waiting for this brand because for me, my shoe is the most important thing. It's comfort and style. It's very important.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And whenever I go abroad, the first thing I shop is the shoe.
Great, amazing. And I see you're wearing J&M shoes today.
I'm wearing this Oxford.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you. So, you'll always look...
There's a special connection to this,
okay.
brand. There's a wingtip model,
Right.
which I wore. It's especially written in my screenplay namesake.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And that's the shoe when I come to visit or see Tabu's character.
Right.
So that's the first thing she noticed about me.
Amazing.
I've left wing
The wingtip ones. Amazing. And today those are the first things I've noticed about you as well. So, you always manage to look very dapper. So, is there a secret behind it?
I don't give a lot of time for that. It's just that I need my comfort very much,
Right.
and something which I just instinctively which I like.
Correct.
It should make me feel comfortable. It should make me feel nice about
Right.
myself.
So, are you more of a formal dresser or more casual?
Only for occasions I wear formal. Otherwise, I prefer casual, and in casual I prefer a gypsy, more of a gypsy, some element of gypsy style.
Oh wow, okay,
Yeah.
that's new. That's really interesting. Amazing. So your so what's your go-to look for the red carpet?
See, red carpet is always you have to wear tux. But given a choice, I would rather wear waistcoat, shirt, and trouser,
Right.
and
Keep it
avoid
easy.
jacket.
Yeah, lovely. We'd love to see you in that for sure. In your next red carpet appearance. So, talking about red carpets, and you're no stranger to them. Tell us a little bit about your experience in Hollywood.
It's been a life-changing experience, a great experience. It just makes me more inspired about my work, and it's demanding, it's engrossing. And in acting, if you are not engrossed in your work, it could be very boring. So, and I've been working with directors which are, it's impossible. It's like you cannot even dream to work with. They're so, it's just...
It's a dream come true.
It's a dream come true, and I never imagined it. I never dreamt of working with them.
Correct.
They're so, I've been really fortunate that I've worked with them. It's been
Right.
great experience.
Absolutely. So tell us a little bit about the directors you've worked with, the different styles of working.
See, every director, like every actor, has his own style. They have to develop their own style.
Right.
Although you can study in a same institute and you can study same course or same formulas, but you have to, at one point of time, you have to come up with your own method, with your own style, and that's how the directors are. You know, sometimes the director create a story through you. He just observes you, he sees what you are doing,
Yeah.
and from that he knits the story. Sometimes few directors have their own, map, and they nudge you towards that. So they all have, different styles.
Styles of working.
They have different style of working, different style of preparation. Some directors, they don't discuss the script at all. They just sit there and they just chat
Right.
a lot, and it just make you easy. A few directors, they want to discuss the character a lot.
Really
But
get
I would,
into the role and yeah.
yeah, personally, I don't like reading a lot before going for the shoot. I would rather accumulate whatever comes
Correct.
and see it when I start doing it. That's the time you start building the character.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't do a lot of readings because it just, I don't function well when there are a lot of readings before the
Right.
shoot.
Right. Okay, amazing. You're more spontaneous. So, who's the most stylish person you've ever worked with in Hollywood?
It has to be Angelina Jolie.
Absolutely. Of course, of course. So, Johnson Murphy is called the US presidential footwear. Every US president wears a custom made Johnson Murphy shoe. So, who, according to you, is the most stylish US president?
See, for me, it's president being stylish as I think these two things, style and being president, they don't complement each other. Let
Fair
me explain why. See, the president's job is to improve the society, to serve people. Style doesn't matter, actually. For me, Lincoln and Kennedy were, people who were trying to take the society to a different level.
Right.
If I give you an example, you need water and you dig a well and you have a well, very nicely shaped well, nice, surrounding around it, but if you don't have water in it, there's no point of being,
True.
So for me, style for president, it's his inner style which matters a lot.
Absolutely, well said. So, coming to you, what is your signature Johnson Murphy style?
Wingtipped
Right.
is my favorite, and it'll
Lovely.
never date.
Absolutely.
It'll always be fresh. Yeah,
Yes,
it'll always
yes,
be
yes.
in style, and it'll always be, it'll never go out of fashion.
Correct, absolutely. And what's your one quick style tip for our beautiful audience here today?
I think you have to find your own style, and to find your own style, you have to start celebrating yourself.
Absolutely.
When you start celebrating yourself, you find your own style.
Fair enough, that's amazing. You've always managed to look effortlessly stylish. Do you spend a lot of time getting ready? Or is it truly effortless?
No, it's not effortless. It takes time, and sometimes I don't like it. And sometimes when you have to wear formals and you have to go to some occasions, it takes time.
Yeah.
It takes time to choose clothes and what you will feel nice and what is the occasion. Sometimes it will take time, yeah.
Absolutely. And what are some of your pre-workday rituals? I mean, things you do before, like you start your day, or you never miss doing this on a daily basis. Are there some things like that?
Like my daily routine. Like everybody, whatever everybody does, I don't have any fixed style, but fixed routine. Sometimes I like to work out, sometimes I don't. Sometimes, I just want to lay around, I don't, and that's what I like about my job.
Right.
I don't need to fall into a routine.
Correct. Okay. You were absolutely amazing in Life of Pi. May I say that it's one of my favorite films. I've watched it multiple times, over and over. Every time it's on TV, I make sure I'm like stopping everything else I'm doing and watching it.
Special film.
Yes, it absolutely is. So what are some of the movies you can watch anywhere, anytime?
There are few directors I can watch anytime, anywhere. Kieslowski, Inaritu, There's a British director, Stanley Kubrick. I love him. I can watch his movies anytime, as many times I can. I could watch him again and again. And there are a few more directors. I'm forgetting the names, but like Godard, I can watch him again and again. I don't want to, because movies, there's so many movies, but these directors are my they're very, very important for me. They have played a major role in shaping my sensibilities.
That's good. Okay, so before we move on, what do you love most about Johnson Murphy and their collection here today? I know you've mentioned the wingtip many times.
No, I think the what I like about it with any shoe is the simplicity, the comfort, and style.
Absolutely.
Simplicity with style.
Yeah.
And comfort is very, very important. And all these three things are there in this.
Absolutely, that's what they signify. Okay, so now for some quick, fun questions, some rapid fire. All right? Okay, so sing in the shower or sing to a crowd?
To a crowd, not now.
I tried. Okay, movies or theatre?
I cannot choose between these two because they have to be, both have to be, they have to be there. But I'm telling you, a movie can go out, movie can just, theatre will never die.
True.
But movies could die. You can make movies without human beings, but you cannot make theatre without human beings.
Absolutely. Tom Hanks or Amitabh Bachchan?
Tom Hanks.
All right. If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
I need many more superpowers. I want to have a power where I could die consciously and see what lies beyond death and come back again.
Okay.
I want to travel time.
Wow.
I want to have a power to change people's thinking. Like if I have power to change Hitler's mind, I could force him to follow Gandhism, or make him love Jews, Or there are so many politicians here. I could change their mind if I could change. I would love to do that.
All right. On that note,
Also, I want to fly.
and fly, of course. What's the weirdest thing a fan has ever said to you?
I was in Florence just few days back, few weeks back, and somebody came and asked me, "Are you Johnny Depp?
That's
Are
not the
you a
weirdest.
fan? Are you Johnny Depp?" He was confused, and I don't look like him at all. I don't know why she said that.
That's interesting. Tigmanshu Dhulia or Vishal Bharadwaj?
No, I don't want to choose between these two. Both are very important to me.
Absolutely. Given a choice, what would you watch? Jaane Bhi Do Yaro or the original Golmaal?
Jaane Bhi Do Yaro.
Critical acclaim or box office success?
In Hollywood, critical acclaim, box office is always there. So in Hollywood, both. In India, box office.
Alright. Black shoes or brown shoes?
Brown.
Alright. Three-piece suit or tuxedo?
Tuxedo.
And what would your look to the Oscars be?
I wish I could have different color tuxedos,
Alright.
not just the black.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Irfan. This was amazing.
you.
It's been
Thank you so
amazing
much.
having you here, and I'm sure our lovely audience here would want a few questions with you. So we have time for 3 quick questions. Any lucky 3 who have some questions for Irfan here?
You've covered everything.
That's true. Great. Looks like they just are completely mesmerized by you.
हाय इरफान सर,
हेलो हाय।
जानना चाहूँगा कि बहुत लोगों को बहुत सारी चीज़ों का फेटिश होता है, क्या आपको शू फेटिश है या
फैटिश नहीं है, मेरी नेसेसिटी है, मेरी ज़रूरत है शू। और वार्डरोब में अगर मेरे पास शू कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो मैं आई डोंट फील वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट माय वार्डरोब। मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है शू का स्टाइलिश होना और उसका कंफर्ट। पहली चीज़ कंफर्ट उसका, फिर स्टाइल और सिंपलिसिटी।
ह्यूज कलेक्शन होगा फिर?
होते हैं, लेकिन वो कई बार क्या होता है कि आप एक शू लेते हो फैशन के लिए, देन फिर वो बेकार हो जाता है। तो शू कभी भी ज़्यादा नहीं होते, हमेशा कम पड़ते हैं। जहाँ भी आप जाते हो तो मैं सबसे पहले शू ही की शॉपिंग करता हूँ। ख़ासतौर से यूरोप में अगर आप जा रहे हो तो पहले आप जो ख़रीदना चाहते हो, पहले शूज़ फिर जैकेट्स।
अभी हाल ही में हमने पढ़ा था कि फिल्म जल्द रिलीज हो रही है आपकी हिंदी मीडियम,
हाँ,
हिंदी मीडियम, उसमें सबा कमर भी है, तो क्या ये कंट्रोवर्सी के बाद वो है या क्या स्टेटस है, वो जानना चाहिए।
देखेंगे अगर वो फिल्म से ऐसे गायब हो जाए, कोई अगर मंत्र हमें मिल जाए कि वो फिल्म से गायब हो जाए, कोई और रिप्लेस हो जाए तो वैसा होगा। अभी तो टाइम है और तब तक कंट्रोवर्सी रहेगी नहीं रहेगी हमें पता नहीं। और फिल्म की डेट अभी, रिलीज डेट अभी अनाउंस नहीं हुई है, रिलीज देखेंगे कब होती है।
हमने सुना सलमान खान की अगली प्रोडक्शन भी आप कर रहे हैं?
वो अभी अनाउंस हुई है, हाँ जी।
तो आप कर रहे हैं?
जी जी।
कुछ पूछना?
आई थिंक सबा कमर शायद यहाँ किसी से शादी कर ली उन्होंने, यहाँ अभी इंडियन हो गई वो शायद, ऐसा सुना मैंने।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू।